Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitrix24 CRM for pipeline automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Bitrix24 URL and press enter. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated area. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. You will be directed to your Bitrix24 dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. To navigate to the CRM section, look for the CRM tab on the left sidebar. Click on the CRM tab to access the Customer Relationship Management features. In the CRM section, find the Pipelines option, typically located in the sidebar. Click on Pipelines to view existing pipelines or create a new one. To create a new pipeline, look for the Add Pipeline button. Enter a name for your new pipeline and configure the stages as desired. Adjust settings like automation rules based on your business needs. Finally, save the pipeline settings to implement automation. You are now set up to start using Bitrix24 CRM for pipeline automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.